You wake up, everything feels normal, and then it hits you. A song playing on a loop inside your brain, one you didn't ask for, didn't choose, and absolutely cannot stop. Scientists actually have a name for this. It's called an earworm. And here's the wild part, it's not random. Your brain is doing this on purpose. But why? Today we're diving into 7 mind-blowing reasons why songs get stuck in your head. And by the end, you'll never listen to music the same way again. Let's go. Here's reason number 1, and it's rooted deep in psychology. Your brain hates leaving things incomplete. There's actually a term for this, the Zeigarnik effect. When you hear a song but it gets cut off, or you only catch the chorus, your brain treats it like unfinished business. It keeps replaying it, searching for the resolution that never came. Reason number 2, repetition. Songwriters aren't just being lazy when they repeat the chorus 8 times. They are literally wiring that melody into your neural pathways. Every time you hear that hook, your brain strengthens that neural connection. It becomes like a groove worn into a path, and your mind just keeps walking down it automatically. Number 3, songs are glued to your memories by emotion. The stronger the feeling you had when you first heard a song, the deeper it gets embedded in your brain. That's why a random song from your childhood can flood you with memories instantly. The music and the emotion were stored together, and one unlocks the other. Reason number 4, your brain has a type. It loves melodies that are simple, predictable, but with just one surprising twist. That combination is basically cognitive candy. Researchers call these melodic features, short, repetitive phrases, a slight pitch jump, an unexpected rhythm. Songs engineered with these features are statistically more likely to become earworms. Number 5, silence is dangerous. When your external world goes quiet, your brain doesn't just sit there peacefully. It goes hunting for stimulation. And the easiest thing it grabs? That song you heard 3 days ago. This is why earworms hit hardest when you're trying to sleep, taking a shower, or doing something mindless. Your brain is bored, and music is the most entertaining thing in its playlist. Reason number 6, the more you've heard a song, the more your brain likes it. It's called the mere exposure effect. Familiarity literally makes music feel safer and more pleasurable to your brain. So every time a song plays on the radio, in a store, or in a commercial, your brain quietly logs it. And the next time you're alone in silence, guess which song it reaches for first. And here's the most fascinating reason of all. Number 7. Music doesn't just live in the audio part of your brain. It activates your motor system, the part that controls movement. When a catchy rhythm gets stuck in your head, your brain is literally rehearsing the movements of making that music. It's simulating drumming, singing, tapping, even when you're sitting completely still. Okay, so now you know why songs get stuck. But what do you do about it? Here are 3 science-backed ways to actually kill an earworm. 1. Listen to the full song. Remember the Zeigarnik effect? Your brain wants completion. Give it the ending it's been craving, and it will often let go. 2. Distract your brain with something cognitively demanding. Puzzles, reading, and math problems. Your working memory can only hold so much. Give it something else to chew on. 3. Replace it with a cure song. Neuroscientists have found that certain songs are particularly good at replacing earworms. Songs like Happy Birthday or God Save the Queen. Simple, complete, satisfying. So there you have it. 7 reasons your brain traps you in a musical loop. From unfinished business and repetition to your motor cortex literally rehearsing a concert you never asked for. Your brain isn't broken. It's actually doing something incredibly sophisticated. It's processing, rehearsing, and storing music because music matters to it. That's actually kind of beautiful. If this blew your mind, smash that like button and tell me in the comments, what song is stuck in your head right now? I guarantee just thinking about it brought it back. You're welcome. See you next time.